Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cool water reflection effect in After Effects. Let's get into it. Alright, cool. So we start with creating a new composition. We're gonna add a solid layer to black. And on this solid layer, we're gonna apply fractal noise effect. Now, you can increase the contrast a bit. Go to transform, uncheck this uniform scaling, set scale width to, let's say, 2400 and scale height to 440. Make sure to set complexity to something like 3.5. And over here on evolution, we're gonna click Alt and click on stopwatch and click time times, let's say, 150. Pre-compose this layer and name it water. Click OK. And you can turn it off. Now we're gonna add a new shape layer. I'm gonna add the circle. And I can use a gradient. I'm gonna position the circle somewhere over here. And add a new adjustment layer. On this adjustment layer, I'm gonna add a displacement map effect. And over here, I'm gonna set it to water. Now, I want to move this adjustment layer right over here and expand it a bit. And over here, I'm gonna play with these values. So let's say here and over here like this, okay? And now we have this. Okay, you'll move this shape layer here and let's add deep glow to it. And already it looks very nice, but we're gonna lower the exposure, the radius a bit. Something like this. Maybe less. Cool. Now over here I want to add a new solid layer. Set it to white. And on this solid layer, we'll add CC ball action effect. Make sure you set the ball size to something very low. Grid spacing, something like this. Scatter like this. And on the scatter motion, we're gonna click Alt and click on stopwatch and type time times, let's say, 100. We'll move this shape layer on the bottom and put it above this water reflection layer. We can add glow to it. And over here there are auto balls, so I would put it to, let's say, 20 and lower ball size to something like this. And basically we have a nice water reflection effect. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.